Welcome to OEMup. In this walkthrough, we look at how to create and manage a purchase order. We start on the purchase order listing page, where existing purchase orders are listed. Clicking Create opens the Create Purchase Order form. We begin by selecting a vendor from the drop-down. Once selected, the contact person and status fields are auto-filled. We then set the expected delivery date, select the purchase manager, and fill in the quotation details. The order ID, payment date, arrival date, and other shipment-related dates are also entered. Next, in the item table, we select a product group and choose an item. We enter the quantity, price, and discount details, and the system automatically calculates the discount amount, tax, subtotal, and grand total in real time. Once all the details are filled in, we click Save to create the purchase order. The system generates a PDF preview of the order, showing the vendor details, item breakdown, pricing, tax, and the final grand total. We are then taken to the Saved Purchase Order Detail page, where the order appears with a unique number, status, and all entered details. From here, several options are available: edit to update the order, delete to remove it, along with actions like PDF, send mail, short close, and copy PO. Scrolling further down, we see the Invoices section, where clicking Add Invoice lets us create an invoice against this purchase order. Scrolling down, we also see additional sections such as Notes, where notes can be added, and Shipment, where shipment details can be added using the Add Shipment option. This completes the process of creating, reviewing, and managing a purchase order in OEMup.